So our standard warranty, and this is a standard across all of our roofing materials, is a 50-year material warranty backed up by a 25-year labor warranty. The labor warranty in this industry is traditionally 2 to 3 years. I think Angie's List puts the national average at 5 years, but 25 years to 2 years, there's a big difference there. Those are also non-prorated and transferable. Non-prorated just means it pays 100% in year 1, 5, 10, and down the road. Transferable means, hey, you are looking at selling your home soon. It moves to that next homeowner. Just leave a sticky note on the wall that says, call Bordner to transfer their warranty. That's all they have to do. Yeah, whether we're doing your roof or not, even if it's just for a hail check, I encourage the homeowners to call me once a year. That way I just come out and take a look at the roof. We get hailstorms and all kinds of weather events late at night when I hope to be sleeping, except my kids sometimes wake me up. And it's good to just get a checkup once a year, and that way you know where your roof is and how it's progressing through its life stage.